Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking all about Zoho, a CRM software that sets itself apart from other software by offering a variety of features and all of it for free. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So there's a bit of a bias on my part as I personally have actually used Zoho in the past, and I must say it has everything you need for CRM. So it's not just your run-of-the-mill database that keeps like a record of all the registered users and whatnot, but it does so in a very nice way that's easy to read and is super accessible. So that's the reason I like it. So in this video, we'll be discussing its core features as well as what you can do with it. So like the name suggests, customer relations management. Zoho takes it a step further by actually personalizing each profile and including every single detail that you may ever need to contact them. So this isn't just limited to stuff like basic stuff like the phone number or the email or their name. This goes as far as custom entries, like let's say you were using Zoho for SEO. So normally you would want an entry for a custom entry for a lead source. So that's one. There's also stuff like status updates that you can add to each profile on your database. So let's say that a person has been contacted a few times about their failed purchase. So Zoho has the ability to actually analyze and count these. So you're able to keep a record of how many engagements this particular person had with our website. So that's cool. So let's actually scroll down here and see some of the core features of Zoho. But before that, I want to show you the big companies and conglomerates that actually use Zoho. So there's Ola. I'm not sure what this is. Suzuki, everyone know what Suzuki is. Bose, obviously the audio brand for speakers and earphones and whatnot. Abu Dhabi Aviation, so an airlines, an airlines in Abu Dhabi, I guess. Hotstar, IAFL, Purelight. So all good. So all of this for free, by the way, which I think deviates from most CRM software that offers less features but for actual money. So I think Zoho is the way to go. So let's actually take a look at the core features here. So as you can see right off the bat, Zoho specializes in analytics. As you can see, it gets pretty elaborate with the statistics as well as the lead source as shown here, and other stuff like content localization and where the customers may be or where they're located at, stuff like that, team performance. So that's all good. So I'm actually going to read what it says here. It says that for a successful business, hyper-managed operations with rich analytics are what you're going to need to make sure that the business runs like clockwork. So you can make informed decisions with the agility using Zoho CRM. Like I said, they specialize in analytics, so they can provide accurate data in which you could capitalize on. Derive actionable insights, create custom reports and dashboards, and measure operations in real time to drive growth in a sustainable manner. So basically, capitalizing and finding the optimal course of action with all the information we have at hand, all thanks to Zoho. Now, where was I? Okay, leverage our intelligent AI Zia. I forgot to mention this. I'll get into this later, but Zoho actually has an implemented AI into their system to get accurate predictions and next steps to be taken for each lead. So that's cool. Now, let's move on to this. For a personalized implementation, manage Zoho from the bottom up without breaking a sweat. Wield a dedicated admin panel, state of the art customization, and a powerful developer platform to extend what Zoho can do. So, Zoho actually comes with all of this added flexibility and customizability, as you can see here. Whoops, don't mean to click on that. Okay, here we are. So it already has built-in functions for all of these programming languages right here. So there's C, there's PHP, there's Python, there's Java, and there's Node.js. Or I believe this is JSON. So all of these can be implemented to your CRM system. And of course, much like any other productivity tool, Zoho comes with a bunch of integrations that synergize with different companies. So there's Dropbox, that's an obvious one. Google Workspace, LinkedIn, Shopify, Slack, Trello. This one is another project management tool. Zoom, everyone uses Zoom. Skype, PayPal, and whatnot. So the way this works is that if you were to integrate or automate a function of one of these apps into Zoho, what would happen is let's say that I made it I called a customer from Skype with Zoho open. Now, what would happen if you have the integration turned on is it would collect their data legally, by the way, or rather, more accurately, their contact information and automatically create a profile for them in our database in Zoho. So it would generate a profile with their name as well as their Skype contact information, which is cool. Now the same can be done with Zoom as well and LinkedIn. So yeah, there's a lot of possibilities that you can do with Zoho. So now let's talk about the AI that's built into Zoho called Zia. Work smarter with Zia. Meet Zia, the AI-powered assistant for your business. Whether you're collecting customer data, writing a document, or just looking for sales numbers, Zia works hard to make your job easy. So basically, what this says is that Zia does the labor work for you. So this way, you can catch up on some leads while Zia documents them. So this actually saves up a lot of time and makes for a more efficient workflow. So that's where Zia comes into play. So as a couple of examples here would be Zia analyzing sales patterns. When let's say that you have an e-commerce site for, let's say you have Shopify that's linked to your Zoho. So Zia would then analyze the customer patterns or which items they've clicked on or how many engagements this product got, and would upload that data to Zoho CRM. So yeah, a bunch of stuff here that utilizes AI to the max. So that's cool. So yeah, that's Zoho ZRM. And if you guys want to add this to your business model, then you can do so for free. And that's the best thing about Zoho. It's all free. So if you guys feel like you've learned something in this video, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, you can do so by subscribing to the channel as well as making sure that the bell notification is turned on. So with all that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.